Hi, my name is Brittany Decatur and I'm the account manager here at DreamHome. I'm here today to talk to you about our affordable payment plan options. Here at DreamHome, we believe that homeowners should be able to get the best project regardless of their budget. That's why we offer easy and affordable payment plan options to make any project more affordable. No one should have to sacrifice quality of product or service due to their budget. So please give your representative a call today so we can help you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our page for more home improvement content. Thanks for watching.